Hi, in this example, we're going to show you how easy it is to build a journey. So let's get into it. Today, we're going to build a simple journey where we're going to send a birthday greeting to all of our employees. So to begin with, we just start by adding our first action. Now in this case, the only thing we want to do is to send a text message. And the text message itself should be a birthday greeting to all employees. We want this to happen automatically, which I'll explain in a second. And we want this to be sent to all the people going through this journey. Now, people going through journeys is what we call travelers. Now, in this case, we use a function called field mapping, where we are adding the traveler's phone number. And what we want to have put in here is a simple message. Now, I co-wrote a simple message before this demo. So it says something like, hey, all of us at the company want to wish you a fantastic birthday, and then some good follow-on text. Now, to make this a little bit more personalized, we'll just add a small space here, and we'll add the traveler's first name. In this case, somebody called Jane would get the message, hey Jane, and somebody called John would get the message, hey John. We could also change things here, like instead of saying demo company, we could change that into company name. And the same here in the end. Takes a few seconds and voila, save. Now, we don't want this message to go to everyone just when they're added to this journey. We want it to happen at a certain time, their birth date. So in this case, what you can do is you'll simply click the plus icon here above, and we use the wait command. In this case, we're going to use the wait until date command. We're going to wait until this person's birthday is there, or if we wanted to use other variables like their start date, we could use that. And we're going to have it sent out at 9 o'clock in the morning for all of them. Or we can switch it up and just do it at noon, 1 o'clock. We'll save this, and now we're certain that anybody that gets added to this journey will get a text message sent at 1 o'clock on their birth date, or if we selected a different type of date. And the message that they will receive is the one that we just wrote here. Now, we might want to call this journey a certain name, so let's just call this birthday greeting to employees, just so we kind of remember what it is. We can also write a small description here explaining the details of it, something like, whenever an employee has a birthday, they get a text greeting from the company. And there, save it. Now, next step is adding travelers to the journey. Add a traveler is super easy. Just click the Add Traveler button and manually enter the information that you need to use. You can also do an integration with an API so that all of this data flows through automatically, so it's easy to select the people that you want to use. Or you can simply click the three dots in the corner here, click Import Travelers, and pick the document that you want to upload. In this case, we're adding a CSV document, which we have here ready on our desktop. Just click Enter, Continue, make sure that the columns go in the right place. Now all the data has been validated, and you just click Import. Now that the travelers have been added to the journey, it's super easy to start the journey for them. You can either multi-select all the people at once and start the journey, and in that case, they'll all get a text message whenever it's their birthday. In other cases, if you just want to start a journey for one person, let's take Isabel here as an example, you can simply click her name, you can start the journey, and once you have started that journey, the first action finishes. The second action starts, and this action actually tells us to wait until her birthday, and at 1 o'clock on that date, do the next action. In this case, that is to send a message to Isabel from the company that's sending the message out. And to preview it, you can click here to make sure everything works, test things out, maybe on your own. But after that, you can basically add all of your employees to a journey, and you have your birthday journey ready. Looking forward to see what you can build with it.